to another ride, and this is again another Rise powered backcountry trail ride, and this time around we are going towards Chikmagalur, but not exactly Chikmagalur, towards the Muttodi forest area is where we are going. And today we've got about 8 riders in total. Most of them have either an X-Pulse or a Himalayan. I think there's one guy with a classic 350, so it's going to be an interesting one this time. A lot of adventure planned again for this particular ride. Looks like it's a lucky day today, and check out the entire fleet for the day. So Kirtan is leading now, I'm tailing, because we are getting into the off-road section, and we just inquired locally. The Samse Didupe road is open, so that's why we'll be taking the off-road section, which is about 9 kilometers. And I'm happy, boss. I'm super happy that we've got that stretch. So we've got 8 bikes, and it's going to be fun now. Fun, because I just love that Samse Didupe road. But I think not the entire stretch is going to be off-road now, because last time when we went there was a lot of road construction happening, so the same will hold this time also, and most of the roads would be done by now. So yeah, let's see, let's enter that stretch and have fun, because I always wanted to come back with the better tires on that particular stretch, and this time I've got better tires. I'm using the Rise Trailer tires, so it's going to be definitely a much better grip and a better experience while riding there. The last time, because of my Zappa tires, at certain places I was just kind of not too confident and all of it. But this time it's going to be a lot of fun. So yeah, so I will so what I'm going to do is, once I enter towards the Samse road, I will come back again. So let's try this place. So from yesterday nobody has come down, it seems, so we're not too sure. We just have to look like. Now we'll see how far we can go. If not, just have a thrill of doing off-road and then come back. Maybe that's all we'll have to do. However, we'll give it a try and see till where we can ride. We'll just explore. That's all we can do now. It's become completely dry. Last time when we came, it was slightly moist, but this time it's completely dry and become more dusty, like this loose soil. More of a loose soil style. And surprisingly there's no vehicle also, because I think the concrete road has come a little more further, and that's why you're not able to go. So let's see what happened, or if we can just bypass and somehow manage to go, then we'll try to do that. If not, we'll turn back. But sad that this particular junction is getting closed. Wait! What are you no? Hope don't let. Wait, coming. Coming. Ah. It's okay. Wait. Don't dig. Wait. Bale. So, is there near Mulu? Wait. 2 minutes. Tell me when you are ready. When you are ready, you tell me. Yes. Go. One just stretch board. Single stretch. Open. One. First to do. Yes. Pull it. ಒಂಚೂರು ಮಿತ್ತು ಮಾಡಲಿ. So what are the changes here compared to last time is the loose end. Chadande Chadande Bale, full force. Bale, yes, wonderful. Yes. Wait. Full loose on. I think they put sand away. Left. Road. So just broke the back to all the fun we had. It's next level as of now. And especially the difference between this versus last time was this is loose soil now completely. Last time it was a little moist and a hard surface, but this time it's complete loose soil. So let's see how long we can go with this.
Become way tougher. Oh, sodium chloride.
Yeah, I know it's become way tougher, and then but then that's the fun, right? Every time you come here, there's a different experience. Ujibhai, what do you say?
Oh man, this was just I was literally weaving with my amazing weight.
No. No. And did you see? I broke my knuckle guard, dude.
Right, you went left, right. Oh, you touched that wall where you stuck. I saw you got stuck.
Yeah, because I had to take a this thing, right? So there's no space there, so I had to maneuver there.
Right, I was in the middle. Huh?
Correct.
That's why I didn't went left. I saw you getting stuck, so that's why I didn't went.
But then
That would have been easy if I was not. I was stuck in the middle now, so you had to go left.
no, but then I'm telling you, tire man, crazy. Seriously, the way.
Make me jealous, it is like.
No, your tire is on the way, but I'm seriously telling you, the way tire is performing, right? I must say, incredible, dude. Incredible. It's just
Mine was losing the grip at the top.
no,
Exactly. At the top where I got stuck, there was not enough power. Now race would have made the difference. And
yeah, this immediately pushed me forward, and yeah, I mean, I'm really happy, and the way it performs is just fantastic.
And also Hermes is very good at
Yeah,
kind of situation.
exactly, because the torque.
Pull you to anything.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, that bullet was tough, dude.
I told you in the start it would be tough for him. Yeah. No, but it's fine. There was like no ground clearance issue here. Just had to push.
Yeah. Oh,
This is why it was easy.
and that is one bloody beast in terms of weight, man. Seriously.
One more dominant.
Pushing that was a task. That's why exactly I was saying I'll tell. I knew these situations will come. Dude, you couldn't have done this today. You could not have come at all.
Yeah. No. It don't have the. I don't have the traction. No way. You are lucky you didn't bought it.
Exactly.
Yeah. I might have to come from Charmadi then. No, seriously, this is sand now. If it is wet or something, I can do something new. I have the experience, but with sand,
Oh, this is getting seriously crazy, guys. Absolutely brilliant. And the experience, same route, but a different experience altogether. That's the beauty.
just within gap of 3 months.
Yes.
You know, right? Even you experience man off-road, that's what you live for.
Exactly. And that's what your motorcycle is made up for, bro. That's what.
I made the right choice by buying this thing.
Yeah, definitely. For the kind of riding you've been doing, I think it's a perfect choice that you've done.
By buying your second bike. हमारा second bike बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म कर रहा है भाई.
So that's
पहली bike बहुत हेल्थ हो रहा है. पहली bike भी like
oh.
बदल गए हैं इस साल.
There looks like people have put some sand there because this is one of those crazy trails which will keep going on for a good amount of kilometers and you'll keep enjoying. I would have loved to throttle this stretch, but then unfortunately can't do that. I need to tail and make sure everybody is on the track and nobody's missed out, and if need support I'll be there, because if I go ahead then you won't come to know what's happening behind, and if support is needed that will be a little issue, so that's why just staging. So good it's not raining. At the same time Not so good because it's hot. So I think from here the concrete road is started or something like that. See? And there's this water crossing here which we can go. Huh? Right or left?
Right and left.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅದು ನೀವು ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅದ So now if you see, the water is completely dry. Compared to the last time. जाएगा पहुंचेगा मेरा पैर पहुंचे बरडे Oh, this is crazy.